Hello and welcome to Daily Coding Tips. Today's tip, TypeScript enums for defining sets of named constants. Magic numbers and strings make code harder to read and maintain. Imagine using 1 for admin, 2 for editor, and so on. What does 1 even mean? Enums solve this by providing named constants. Enums let you define a set of named constants. Here's how you can use them to represent user roles instead of magic numbers. TypeScript enums can be numeric, default, or string-based. String enums are often preferred for readability and debugging because they directly represent the string value. Enums significantly improve code readability. Instead of cryptic numbers, you use meaningful names, making your code self-documenting. When requirements change, enums make updates easier. If you need to rename a role, you only change it in the enum definition, not throughout your codebase. Enums are perfect for representing HTTP status codes, order statuses, or any set of discrete states in your application. Use enums to define the types of UI components, such as button, input, select, ensuring type safety and consistency throughout your UI codebase. Use const enum to prevent the generation of unnecessary JavaScript code, improving performance. Combine enums with union types for powerful type checking and flexibility. This can restrict the set of valid values a variable can hold. Numeric enums have reverse mapping by default, name to value and value to name. This can sometimes lead to unexpected behavior. String enums avoid this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily coding tips and hit the like button if this was helpful.